Arrive in style with this Jeep 2018 Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4/7 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC, power steering and power windows. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.